What's up, guys? Today we're doing things a little differently. We're not giving away thousands of dollars, or are we? Imagine this, cranking out top-tier content without lifting a finger. That's right, today, we're diving into the world of AI writing tools. We'll explore Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and Writesonic, and show you how to master them for amazing content creation. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of AI writing, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and let's get this show on the road. First up, we've got Jasper AI, the heavyweight champion of AI writing. This thing is an absolute beast. Imagine having the power of a roaring lion, the strength of a powerlifting athlete, and the efficiency of a powerful engine all rolled into one. That's Jasper AI for you. Signing up is easier than finding a $100 bill on the sidewalk. Seriously, it's that simple. Just head over to Jasper's website, create an account, and boom, you're in. No complicated forms, no endless verification processes. Just a few clicks and you're ready to unleash the beast. Now let's talk templates. Jasper's got a template for everything from blog posts and social media captions to ad copy and even full-blown scripts. Whether you're a marketer, a blogger, or a business owner, Jasper has got you covered. It's like having a team of professional writers at your fingertips 24/7. Imagine the productivity boost you can get with such a resource. Once you've picked your template, it's time to feed the beast some information. The more detailed you are, the better Jasper can tailor the content to your needs. Tell Jasper what you want to write about. Give it some keywords and watch it work its magic. It's like having a conversation with a highly skilled writer who understands exactly what you need. And the magic is real, people. Jasper will spit out high-quality content faster than you can say AI takeover. It's almost like watching a master artist at work, but in this case, the masterpiece is your content. But here's the best part, you can customize everything. From the tone to the style, Jasper lets you tweak every aspect to fit your brand's voice. Don't like the tone? Change it. Want a more formal or casual approach? Jasper's got you covered. Want to add more details? Go for it. The flexibility Jasper offers is unparalleled. Jasper's all about giving you the power to create exactly what you envision. It's like having a creative partner who never sleeps and is always ready to help. Now let's talk about power mode. This is where Jasper really flexes its muscles. If you thought the regular mode was impressive, wait till you see this. Power mode gives you access to even more features and lets you generate even more content, even faster. It's like putting Jasper on steroids. It's like giving Jasper a double espresso shot. The speed and efficiency are truly remarkable. But wait, there's more. Jasper also has these things called recipes. These are pre-made workflows designed to make your life even easier. Think of them as pre-made writing workflows that you can use to create specific types of content. They're like cheat codes for amazing writing. Whether you need a blog post, an email sequence, or a social media campaign, there's a recipe for that. And if you really want to unlock Jasper's full potential, you need to try Boss Mode. This is the ultimate Jasper experience. This is the ultimate Jasper experience, giving you complete control over the AI and allowing you to generate long-form content with ease. It's like having your own personal AI writing assistant. Imagine the time and effort you can save. One of the coolest things about Jasper is its SEO integration. You can plug it right into Surfer SEO and watch your content climb the Google rankings. You can plug it right into Surfer SEO and watch your content climb the Google rankings. It's like having a secret weapon in the battle for online visibility. It's like having a secret weapon in the battle for online visibility. With Jasper, you're not just creating content, you're creating content that performs. So there you have it. Jasper AI, the powerful, customizable, and downright fun way to supercharge your content creation. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Jasper is the tool you need to take your content to the next level. Next up, we've got Copy.ai, the Robin to Jasper's Batman. While Jasper might be the more well-known hero in the AI writing world, Copy.ai is the trusty sidekick that brings its own unique set of skills to the table. This tool might not be as feature-packed as Jasper, but it's still an incredible writing companion. Think of it as the reliable friend who always has your back, ready to help you craft the perfect piece of content whenever you need it. Signing up for Copy.ai is as easy as ordering a pizza. Seriously, it's that simple. No complicated forms or endless questions, just a few clicks and you're ready to start creating. Just go to their website, enter your details, and you're good to go. The user-friendly interface makes the whole process a breeze, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Copy.ai might not have as many templates as Jasper, but it still covers all the essentials. From blog intros and product descriptions to social media posts, It has everything you need to get started on your writing journey. And yes, it even includes templates for love letters. No, seriously. So whether you're writing for business or pleasure, Copy.ai got you covered. Once you've chosen your content type, it's time to give Copy.ai some direction. This is where you can really tailor the content to fit your needs. Tell it what you're selling, who your target audience is, and what kind of vibe you're going for. Whether it's professional, casual, or somewhere in between, Copy.ai can adapt to your style. And just like that, Copy.ai will whip up some seriously impressive copy. It's like having a professional writer at your fingertips, ready to produce high-quality content on demand. What's really cool about Copy.ai is its natural-sounding language. The text it generates flows smoothly and reads just like something a human would write. It doesn't sound like a robot wrote it, which is a huge plus in my book. This makes it perfect for creating engaging and relatable content that resonates with your audience. One of my favorite Copy.ai features is the Freestyle tool. This versatile tool allows you to break free from templates and create any kind of content you can imagine. This bad boy lets you generate any kind of content you can imagine. Whether you're brainstorming new ideas or fleshing out a detailed project, the Freestyle tool is your go-to. It's like having a blank canvas and an AI writing assistant by your side. You can experiment, innovate, and create without any limitations. And if you're ever feeling stuck, Copy.ai brainstorming tools are here to help. These tools are designed to spark creativity and get your ideas flowing. These tools will help you come up with fresh ideas and overcome writer's block faster than you can say content calendar. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of inspiration. Here's a little secret weapon, the rewrite mode. This feature is perfect for those times when you need to polish your content or give it a fresh twist. Let's say you're not 100% in love with the first draft. No worries. Just hit that rewrite button, and Copy.ai will generate a bunch of different versions for you to choose from. This means you can keep refining your content until it's just right. It's like having an editor on standby, ready to help you perfect your work. Copy.ai is all about making your life easier and helping you create killer content without breaking a sweat. It's designed to take the stress out of writing and make the process enjoyable. It's like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. With Copy.ai, you can tackle any writing project with confidence, knowing you have a powerful tool at your disposal. So whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Copy.ai is the perfect sidekick to help you achieve your writing goals. Give it a try and see how it can transform your writing process. Chapter 3. Writesonic, the Swiss Army knife of AI writing tools. Last but not least, we've got Writesonic, one of the most versatile AI writing tools out. This tool is incredibly versatile and packed with features that'll make your content creation journey a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, Writesonic has something for everyone. Signing up for Writesonic is as simple as making instant ramen. Seriously, it's that easy. Head over to their website, create an account, and you're ready to roll. No complicated steps, no unnecessary hurdles. Writesonic has a ridiculous amount of templates, catering to every need and niche imaginable. From blog posts to ad copy, social media content to product descriptions, the list goes on. Whether you're writing a blog post, crafting ad copy, or even generating song lyrics, you read that right, Writesonic has a template for you. Imagine the possibilities when you have such a diverse range of templates at your fingertips. Writesonic has a template for you. No matter what your content needs are, you'll find something that fits perfectly. Once you've found the perfect template, it's time to feed Writesonic some information. This is where the magic begins. Tell it what you want to write about, give it some keywords, and let it work its magic. The more specific you are, the better the results. And let me tell you, the magic is real with this one. The content it generates is not just high quality, but also tailored to your specific needs. Writesonic will generate high-quality content in seconds, leaving you with more time to focus on other important tasks. Imagine the hours you'll save. But here's the kicker. Writesonic is incredibly affordable. You don't have to break the bank to get top-notch content. It's like getting a Michelin star chef to cook you dinner for the price of a fast food meal. Quality and affordability rarely go hand in hand, but Writesonic makes it possible. One of the coolest things about Writesonic is its AI article writer. This feature is a game changer for anyone who needs to produce articles quickly. This feature lets you generate full-blown articles with just a few clicks. No more staring at a blank screen wondering where to start. It's like having your own personal ghostwriter on speed dial. Imagine the convenience of having high-quality articles ready in minutes. And if you're looking to create landing pages that convert like crazy, Writesonic's landing page generator is a game changer. This tool takes the guesswork out of creating effective landing pages. Writesonic's landing page generator is a game changer. It helps you create high-converting landing pages that will have your website visitors clicking the Buy Now button faster than you can say conversion rate optimization. This tool will help you create such amazing landing page that it's like having a marketing expert at your disposal. Here's a little secret for you. You can combine Writesonic's tools to create even more powerful workflows. The synergy between different features can take your content creation to the next level. For example, you can use the AI article writer to generate a blog post, and then use the landing page generator to create a landing page based on that blog post. This seamless integration makes your workflow smoother and more efficient, and then use the landing page generator to create a landing page based on that blog post. This way you ensure consistency and coherence across your content. It's like having a content creation superpower. The ability to generate and optimize content so effortlessly is nothing short of a superpower. And if you're a developer, Writesonic even has an API that you can use to integrate its AI writing capabilities into your own applications. This opens up a world of possibilities for custom solutions. The possibilities are literally endless. From automating content creation to enhancing your existing tools, the API offers limitless opportunities. Writesonic is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to create amazing content without breaking the bank. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a small business, or a large corporation, Writesonic has something to offer. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal. With Writesonic, you're equipped to tackle any content challenge that comes your way. So there you have it. We've explored the awesome power of Jasper, Copy.ai, and Writesonic, the trifecta of AI writing tools. These tools are like having an army of writing assistants at your beck and call, ready to churn out high-quality content 24/7. If you're serious about leveling up your content game, I urge you to give these tools a shot. You won't regret it. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and leave a comment down below, letting me know which AI writing tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.